Washing new baby clothes is an important first step in preparing for a newborn because a baby's skin is extremely delicate and can easily react to irritants. Here are some helpful tips for washing new baby clothes. Wash baby clothes separately from adult laundry and also keep them separate from colored clothes, especially at the beginning. Colored garments can sometimes release dye during washing, which may stain baby clothes or leave behind residues that could irritate a newborn's sensitive skin. Before washing, pre-treat any stained baby clothes by gently applying a paste made of baking soda and water to the affected area. Use a soft toothbrush to carefully rub the stain in light circular motions, which helps lift dirt and marks without damaging the delicate fabric. This method is a natural and gentle way to remove stains while keeping baby clothes safe and clean. Use a liquid baby laundry detergent when washing new baby clothes because it is specially designed to be gentle on a newborn's sensitive skin. These detergents are usually free from harsh chemicals, strong fragrances, and dyes that can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Choose the right wash cycle by selecting a gentle or delicate setting when washing baby clothes. This helps protect the soft fabric and prevents unnecessary wear and tear. It is also best to use warm or cold water, as hot water can shrink delicate materials or damage their texture over time. Rinse baby clothes thoroughly by adding an extra rinse cycle after washing. This step is very important because it helps remove any remaining detergent residue that may be left in the fabric. An extra rinse also helps keep the fabric soft, clean and free from any chemicals. Dry baby clothes safely by choosing the right drying method. Sun drying is ideal whenever possible because sunlight acts as a natural disinfectant and helps kill bacteria while keeping the clothes fresh. If using a dryer, select a low heat tumble dry setting to protect the soft fabric from shrinking or damage. You can also wash baby clothes by hand using a liquid baby laundry detergent, which is a gentle and effective option for delicate fabrics. Start by filling a clean sink or basin with lukewarm water and adding a small amount of the detergent. Place the baby clothes in the water and gently rub and swirl them with your hands, paying extra attention to any stained areas. After washing, rinse the clothes thoroughly with clean water to remove all detergent, then gently squeeze out excess water and let them dry completely. Taking a little extra care helps protect your baby's delicate skin from irritation and keeps their clothes soft, fresh and comfortable.